So here comes the second part of cam adjustments. I've rotated the spindle a little bit here and this, just to check if this can float through. That means it's a perfect mesh. There's no noise. In terms of this also, तो ये भी आराम से इसमें float हो रहा है. This movement is very important. अगर ये float नहीं हो रहे हैं in the gears, then they will start brushing each other. You can feel it here as there is no gap. And that's the mesh positions here. यहाँ पर एक dot है, इसके साथ synchronize हुआ है, and these two dots are synchronizing each other. I hope that clarifies, and hopefully this will solve my problem as well.